Can you trade Forex on Tradovate? Tradovate, a renowned online trading platform, offers a unique approach to Forex trading. Unlike traditional spot Forex brokers, Tradovate specializes in futures contracts, including currency futures. These futures contracts are traded on regulated exchanges like the CME Group, providing a more transparent and secure environment compared to over-the-counter OTC Forex markets. One of the most intriguing aspects of trading Forex on Tradovate is the ability to access micro-sized currency futures contracts. These smaller contracts require significantly less capital to trade, making Forex accessible to a broader range of investors. For instance, a micro-sized Euro-dollar futures contract represents only 125,000 underlying value, compared to a standard-sized contract worth $1 million. This means traders can participate in the Forex market without risking substantial amounts of capital. Another advantage of trading Forex futures on Tradovate is the leverage offered. While leverage can amplify both gains and losses, it can also be a powerful tool for increasing returns on a smaller investment. Tradovate's margin requirements for Forex futures are relatively low, allowing traders to control a larger position size with a smaller amount of capital. However, it's important to use leverage cautiously and manage risk effectively. Tradovate's platform is designed to cater to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. It offers a user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and a variety of order types to suit different trading strategies. Additionally, Tradovate provides access to real-time market data, news, and analysis to help traders make informed decisions. While trading Forex futures on Tradovate offers several advantages, it's essential to understand the differences compared to traditional spot Forex trading. Futures contracts have a specific expiration date, unlike spot Forex positions that can remain open indefinitely. Moreover, futures trading involves margin requirements and is subject to exchange fees. In conclusion, Tradovate provides a unique and innovative approach to Forex trading through futures contracts. By offering micro-sized contracts, leverage, and a user-friendly platform, Tradovate makes Forex accessible to a wider range of investors. However, it's crucial to understand the nuances of futures trading and carefully consider your risk tolerance before diving into this market.